What is up, everybody? Yes, I am now alone on this channel. Even though there might be a picture of me and my cousin still, and as I posted last Friday, I am now alone. But not gonna mention. Just feel like I need to be alone in these videos sometime. But other than that, I did show my bird Speedy, which is the one that just chirped. But I got two now. I got two. She is seriously telling my bird Speedy is literally telling me to shut up. My other bird is literally just looking at me like, who in the hell are you talking to? Yeah. That's my bird. I had no other had no other name. I couldn't think of a name, so I just named him Maverick. I got two. Speedy, you want to be in the camera? You want to be on the camera? Alright, yeah. Say hi. He hates the camera. Well, not really much to do but sit here and just talk to my birds. Hey, dude. Hey, dude. But I have really nothing else better to do than just sit here and talk to my birds. And pick cat hair out of my mouth because there's a cat around here that's shitting really badly. Angel! Okay, yeah, that's the cat's name. I tend to talk to animals. Mainly because I'm bored and I have nobody else to talk to. I'm very lonely. But yeah, I'm sitting here watching TV. Disney Channel. I don't like any of that other nonsense. But yeah, that's technically all I'm doing here right now is sitting here talking to my birds and playing with my birds. My bird Speedy tries to bite me, which is that clear white one with a little bit of blue on her, and that's the one that you saw last time. I don't know. Yeah. But there might not be any more trampoline videos. I don't know, because I get afraid that my phone's going to be broke. Especially on one of these days that it's raining and the trampoline gets all wet. I have no idea. But sometimes there will be days that I'm going to be on the trampoline. And when I'm not going to be on the trampoline, like, I got my new bird because he's honestly friendly. He's just really nervous. But he did stand on my finger 3 times yesterday, and I was honestly shocked. Third time was not that long of a time, because I brought him near his perch. I really want to try to hold him again. But now that Speedy's in there, she'll try to bite me. That's the fact. But I just found out that my bird's a girl. Knowing to their top beaks. You notice how, like, some birds' beaks are, like, have no blue on them? That means they're a girl. But if they have, a dark blue on their nose, that means they're a boy. But my bird Speedy, which is the one that I've showed you a long time ago, out back, is a girl. I thought she was a boy. And I'm still calling her he after time because Because I keep on getting mixed up because I kept on thinking he's a boy the last time. Until I got my new bird. See, they're both parakeets, but one's a blue parakeet and the other is a fancy parakeet. So, obviously, it doesn't make any difference. It's just putting something else in the front of the name. So they're both technically still parakeets. But apparently they will fight until they get used to each other. That's a fact. I read that up on Google last night. Even though sometimes I don't trust Google. I'm here alone. I'm bugging out. Bird is stretching his wings. What, buddy? My bird is stretching his wings. And, you know, I really want to get a vlog camera so badly. I've said this so many times. Shut up! I'm glad that wasn't my new bird. I swear to God, I love my new bird. You're too pretty. Yeah, you're too pretty. Oh. But I really want to get a vlog camera so freaking badly so I can learn how to edit. See, because now I'm just technically using my phone, which it's really stupid. Yeet. My birds are just sitting here like, what the hell is that? What it is, I'm opening my door a little. So, I'm technically doing is waiting for my aunt to get back. You, my boy, are not going anywhere. And my 1 pound shoe knows how to hold something. Still. Thank God. Okay. Say, hey, boy. Can you please let me hold you on my finger? My mom noticed something on my new bird's cheek. Its name is Maverick, so I don't like when I say new bird, but on his cheek, on both of his cheeks, it looks like there's a cross. On the side of both sides, it looks like there's a cross. But I want to hold Maverick, but Speedy won't let me because she'll try to bite. I really want to learn how to go live stream. Hey! See, Maverick just wants to make the move on Speedy, too. Because obviously, Maverick likes Speedy. Yeah, Speedy? You like attacking him? Dark. I'm not intentionally mean to my bird. It's just only when she's annoying. I just like to play around with them. See, if I like calling Speedy a dork because she's a little dork. There's no way of I forgot what I was saying. So now I know a way of telling. So around the 7th or the 8th, my child support comes in. I hate my father. And I'm getting 3 birds. 3. I don't know what I'm going to name it. It's going to be so hard. I'm definitely not getting another fancy parakeet because these things are mean. Speedy? That's right, you're mean. You know it. Last night, it only took... Because when I first got Speedy a couple years ago... I don't know why I'm still talking about my birds, but still. I got Speedy a couple years ago. It was hard for the worker to get her out of the cage. It was hard. Last night, well, the day I got my new bird, of course you know I'm going to say that, but it took my mom like 20 seconds, and it only took me like 10 and a half seconds. Well, no, 11 and a half seconds to get Speedy out. But I know I was only sitting here talking about my birds. I'll give you a little glimpse of my birds. Hey, say hi, Speedy. These are my birdies. As you can see, one of them hates them. But I am going to end this one there. And please like this video. Leave a comment. Subscribe. And if I probably would post more about my birds. So, have fun with that one. Hang on, let me see that. Okay, I'm kidding. I messed that up.